Hi there and welcome to another lesson of Beginner's Chinese. My name is Oliver. The two short dialogues at the end of this lesson are without English subtitles. But if you studied all my previous lessons, then you can easily understand them. In this lesson, we will focus on one single character. It's a character that you won't find in other Chinese language courses, and that is strange, as it is one of the most used characters. And that is un. Un is pronounced like one in French. Un. Un has something in common with ma, ne, ha and ba. As you can see, they all have a little mouth on the left. They are all sounds without a direct translation, but with a certain meaning. The second sound or character, ma, reveals curiosity, so it's kind of a question mark. Na means something like, and what about? Ha is obviously a sound of laughter. And with ba you can make an imperative more friendly. But now let's focus on un. Un is basically used in two situations. First, to express that you heard what another person just told you. In English that would be simply oh. Second, to reply to a question in a confirmative way. In English that would be yes. In order to fully understand these two situations, I will now show you two short dialogues.
我是欧洲人。
嗯，
你是美国人吗？
不是，
你是中国人吗？
嗯，
我爱你。
嗯，
你爱我吗？
不，
你不爱我吗？
嗯。